Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are fine. So today in this quick guide video, I'm going to show you how you can install Xfinity Stream Beta on your Amazon Firestick device with complete instructions. The same guide will also work for Firestick 4K, Fire TV, Firestick Lite and Fire TV Cube. So let's download Xfinity app on Amazon Firestick device. Just click on search icon left side above the menu, Xfinity Stream. When you type 2 3 word, the suggestion appear Xfinity Stream. Scroll down and click on. Now here click on Xfinity Beta icon. From the next screen, you just need to click on download button and the Xfinity Stream will start downloading automatically. Just wait for a while until this is downloaded and it will be installed automatically. And here you can see Xfinity Stream Beta version installed on our Fire Stick. Now you open Xfinity Stream from here and also from home. So after this, go back home screen by pressing remote home button and here hold remote home button for a few seconds. Click on apps and here you will find all application that is installed on our Fire Stick. So if you want to open Xfinity, scroll down and click on Xfinity Stream. When you launch Xfinity Stream for first time, a dialog will appear asking permission to access photo, media and file. Just select allow and here click on get start button. Now open this link in your mobile or laptop browser and type this code. So you can use this method to download Xfinity Stream on your Amazon Fire Stick device, and I hope this video was really helpful for you. And please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.